Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make an image round rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then create a new layer. Click the shape, right click on your mouse, click rounded rectangle tool. See this fill color, select fill, any color, stroke color. You can use stroke or not use stroke as your wish. Line example I use stroke. Then see this radius is very important for this tutorial. Now see this. First of all, use 30 radius for small rectangle or big rectangle for 15, most biggest for 17 px use. I used for medium use 14 px. Press enter. Then click and drag it. Open file, open and find your image. Example I use this image. Click and drag it for this layer, file. Press Ctrl T for resize. Hold Shift, click and drag it. Again hold Shift, click and drag it. Then click the image layer, right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Now we can see this make rounded rectangle image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.